Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. So what we've installed today is onto a 2019 Mercedes Sprinter van. And what we've upgraded this vehicle with is the Sortimo SR5 racking system. If you're looking into this system, feel free to get in touch with us. We'll drop all our contact details below. What we're going to be doing in this video is basically talking you through a little bit about what's involved within the installation, as well as how you can book in with us and also have a similar system installed into your vehicle. So it's whether you own one vehicle or up to 50 to 100 vehicles, this is a fantastic solution for racking. So it's nice and organized, looks incredibly professional, as well as maximizes the space within your van. Obviously, as you can see, I've still got plenty of walkway space here in this vehicle, as well as a really organized setup along both sides of the vehicle. So we designed this and spec this to exactly how you want this designed, and we do that by either you coming into a store, seeing us, and we design that for you here, or alternatively, if it's a slightly larger fleet, we'll come out to you and design the racking system exactly for how you want it. So we can even spec individual boxes. So on this system, we've got a pipe tube at the top, which you basically lower that blue panel here, and the pipes just go straight in at the top, really nice and easy. And also, rather than having something on top of the vehicle, it's nice and easy, nice and kept dry as well when it's inside the vehicle. So we can design the size of the cubby boxes that you want, and you can design as many of these as you wish as well. What we've also got is, this is a slightly different size box, and that's all customizable during the process of booking in. This customer's also spec'd L boxes, and these can also be replaced for different size of boxes, and they're all listed on the Sortimo website. What this customer's also spec'd is these drawers. A really nice solution. You can organize these, and you can also get dividers to separate this all across as well. So this customer's also spec'd lighting. So we've added this in as a little optional extra. It's all controlled off one little rocker switch on the right hand side here. We've got 4 600mm lights, really high quality again, and it just adds a little bit of light into the vehicle, obviously, and we've also done the side panels as well. So it's all been converted. It used to have ply lining in here. That's all been converted now into the Sortimo sides. This, in terms of the installation, gets bolted down to the floor and then gets bolted to the sides of the vehicle. So this system, the main reason why a lot of people go down the route of a Sortimo system is that it's completely crash tested. So it's designed as a system that's first of all safe, organized, as well as it helps you save time on the job. When you're working, you can see exactly where stuff is, and you can design this to maximize your efficiency as well. So we'll drop all our contact details below, so all our work gets carried out in our workshop facilities in Cambridge, and we can fit in a vast amount of vehicles within our workshop facilities as well. We've also got a storage area for slightly larger fleets. You can have them delivered straight from the factory directly with us, and we can then kit out the vehicles and ready to collect live from us. We do that day in, day out, and these racking systems are becoming more and more of a popular solution. First of all, for the efficiency that it gives you in terms of when you're working, also durability. Typically, an SR5 system will last you between 3 to 4 vehicles if it's all looked after. And that, in terms of initial investment, if you spread it over the length of a 3 or 4 van cycle, definitely makes money for you. So we'd just like to thank you for watching this short video. Any more details, feel free to get in touch with us. We'll drop all the contact details below, but please don't forget to like and share this video, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel to check out all the latest installation videos that we've done. So thank you once again, and we look forward to upgrading your van soon. Thank you.